Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Dunkin Donuts Bagel Twists step by step. Start by gathering flour, yeast, sugar, butter, and flavorings. Mix dough until smooth and elastic. Let dough rest until doubled in size. Divide and shape into twist bagels, then proof briefly. Boil briefly in sweet water if desired, then bake or fry to golden brown. Finish with glaze or toppings for that classic taste. Begin by dissolving yeast in warm water with a pinch of sugar to bloom. Combine with flour, salt, softened butter, and any flavoring like vanilla or cinnamon. Knead on a floured surface until the dough is smooth and springs back when pressed. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm spot until doubled. This creates a tender, slightly chewy bagel twist texture you'll love. After the first rise, divide dough into equal pieces and roll each into ropes about 8 to 10 inches long. Place 2 ropes side by side and twist them together, sealing ends to form a loop. Let shape twists proof briefly, then brush with egg wash for shine. Bake on a lined tray until golden and cooked through. Cool slightly before glazing or topping for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.